Hi YouTube, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the Kitchen. I'm going to bring you a cake shake. It's like a smoothie, but I guess you could call it either a smoothie or a shake. You decide, but it's a Mexican type. We got our blender, of course. We got almond milk. We have organic cherries, and we have that Mexican cake. So we're going to put this all together. It's not the healthiest thing, but it's a treat. You can treat yourself once a week or every other week. Why not live life and enjoy? Alright, so we're taking this journey together where we both learn, and we take this journey where we learn new things every day. So we're going to just pop the thing off the blender, and we're going to start with like 6 to 8 ounces of almond milk. So this one's a 64-ounce thing. This is a refrigerated one, but I use some of this, so just pour in like 8 ounces. Alright, so we have that almond milk in there. If you want, you can use other types of milk. It's all up to you. But here's that cake, the Mexican type. I'll put the name in the description, but everyone knows how to knows this cake. It's really good. So you're going to want to pour that into the blender too. And you can see that you can actually put that into the blender also if you want. This is your shake, so make it the way you want. Alright, so we're going to add the final step. If you want to do this, you can. If you don't, you don't have to. But I have organic sweet cherries. You could put in 1 or 2. You can see the texture of those. They're organic and they're really sweet. So if you want, put in 1 or 2. You just want to give it a little bit of kick of cherry, but you don't want it to overpower the Mexican cake and the milk. But you really want to taste the Mexican cake. So and the frosting and everything. So you don't want to overkill it with cherries or overkill it with milk. But you need at least 6 to 8 ounces of milk to give it its base. But if you want, you can throw the 2 cherries in there. Right now I'm just going to leave the 1 in there because I don't want to overkill it with cherry. I just want to touch it up. Alright, so we're just going to put the top on YouTube and Facebook. I thank you for joining me here. Sorry that some of these things take a little bit longer than others, but just want to go step by step. Alright, so we're ready. We're just going to hit smoothie. And you can see like the cherries in there, and it's all mixing together. But like I said before, now you can see the cherry. If I would have put 2 cherries in there, that would have made it really dark. So if you want now, if you didn't want it as dark as it is now, you can add more milk, but it's up to you. But this should be really good. You're going to have the Mexican cake in there with the frosting and the touch of cherry and the milk. So you couldn't go wrong. So we're just going to take this top off like we always do. As long as I don't spill this. Batman in the kitchen. He's not always great with his skills, but we got that. We're gonna pour it into a mason jar. Alright, so we're gonna take our mason jar and our pitcher and just pour that creamy shake in there. So like I said, I don't know if you want to call this a shake or a smoothie. I know some people will argue with me, but call it whatever you want. But it's all in the same. It's all the same principle. But that's your shake right there. Now I just get a straw, and we're all set. But it's really good. All right, so we're set. YouTube and Facebook. That's really good. Oh man, you can really taste that cake in there. But that's really good. But that's a shake or a smoothie that you can treat yourself to once a week, every other week, or if you're on a strict diet. Just treat yourself once a month. But Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen, thanks for taking this journey. A journey where we both learn together. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for being a part of me and the YouTube community. You be safe and peace out. Dansoy, Batman in the Kitchen.